Myself Dr. M. Ayyappan, Assistant Professor, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, NPR College of Engineering and Technology, NATHAM. So, today we are going to discuss about the topic for sample problems of bus admittance matrix. So, the first problem, the line data for 4 bus system is given below. Find the bus admittance matrix. Actually, the 4 line is present, line I minus j. The 4 different lines are connected for 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 2 to 3 and 2 to 4. R and X, R is resistance and X is reactance. So, R plus Jx equal to Z, that means impedance equal to resistance plus reactance. In this case, all the line values of resistance value is 0 and the reactance value is changed. That means 1 to 2 means J 0.15. The line 1 to 3 means J 0.2 is the reactance value. 2 to 3 reactance value is J 0.3 and the line 2 to 4 the reactance value is J 0.4. And in the third column, offline charging admittance YBA value is given J 0.05, J 0.01, J 0.02, J 0.05. So, actually in this case, so what is the reason for calculating the off charging line admittance value in this problem? So, actually let us see the network diagram. In this case 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 2 to 3 and 2 to 4. Actually in this network diagram 1 is connected with 2 and 2 is connected with 3 and 1 is connected again with 3, finally 2 is connected with 4. But each and every individual lines are separately grounded. So, 1 is grounded, 2 is grounded, 3 is grounded and 4 is also grounded. So, suppose if any problem is directly given the data in the off charging admittance means, so directly we can calculate that the individual node of the admittance value, that means line charging admittance value. So, like Y10, Y20, Y30, Y40. So, in 4 cross 4 matrix Y11 to Y12, Y13, Y14. Y21, Y22, Y23, Y24, again Y31, Y32, Y33 and Y34, finally Y41, Y42, Y43 and Y44. So, but in remaining problems only calculated these 4 cross 4 matrix referred value, that means presented value, but apart from that in this case additionally calculating the Y10, Y20, Y30 and Y40. If line charging admittance is present means at the time it will necessary for calculating these value. So, let us see Y1110. So, Y10 means 1 is connected with 2 and 3. So, that means what? Y12 value is J 0.05. Again Y1 is connected with third line. So, the Y123 value is J 0.1. So, J 0.05 plus J 0.01 equal to J 0.06. So, this is the value of charging admittance value of Y10. Y10 is nothing but Y1 is the line, 0 is representing the grounded line, grounding connections. Okay. So, next we can calculate Y20. Y20 means actually the 2 is connected in 3 different lines 1, 3 and 4. In this case J 0.01, that means your 2 is connected with 1, 2 is connected with 3, 2 is connected with 4. So, Y20 equal to J 0.05 plus J 0.02 plus J 0.05, that means 1 to 2, 2 to 3, again 2 to 4 is added. Finally, we can get the results for Y20 equal to J 0.12. Next we can calculate y3 0. So, y3 0 means 3 is connected with 1 to 3 and 2 to 3, that means what? J 0.01 plus J 0.02. So, the result is J 0.03, and the next one is y 4 0. Actually 4 is directly only connected with the second line. So, in this case what will happen? The 2 to 4 value of charging admittance value is J 0.05. So, directly it will represent y 40 equal to J 0.05. So, next we can calculate the, apart from the diagonal matrix, we can calculate the remaining values y12, y13, y23, y24. So, y12 equal to 1 by z12. So, actually admittance is reciprocal of impedance, that means y12 equal to 1 by z. So, y12 equal to 1 by z12. So, 1 by j 0.15, how it comes j 0.15? Actually in this case for the first line 1 to 2 line is the reactance value is j 0.015, that means x value is j 0.15. So, y12 equal to 1 by z12 equal to 1 by j 0.15. So, the result is minus j 6.667. Next we can calculate y13. y13 is nothing but 1 by z13. So, 1 by j 0.2, 1 to 3. 1 to 3 means the value is j 0.2. So, please see in the tabular column third value 2 to 3. 2 to 3 connection, resistance value is 0 and reactance value is j 0.3. Okay. So, j 0.3 or so 1 by z23 equal to 1 by j 0.3. So, again 13 means j 0.2. So, each and every time we can directly refer the individual resistance value for the various lines. So, y13 and y23 1 by z13, y23 1 by z23. So, 1 by z13 means 1 by j 0.2 equal to minus j 5, y23 means 1 by z23. So, equal to 1 by j 0.3 equal to minus j 3.333. Next y24, y24 means line I minus j, that means line 2 to 4 is your reactance value is j 0.4. So, 1 by j 0.4 equal to minus j 2.5. So, this is the value for calculating the, apart from the diagonal matrix we can calculate the remaining values in the 4 cross 4 matrix y12, y13, y23 and y24. Next we can calculate diagonal matrix. So, in this case y11 equal to y12, y13, y14 and y10. Okay, y12, y13, okay, and y14, y10. So, in this case y12 value is minus j 6.667. Already calculated value for y12 equal to minus j 6.667. Just substituting the value in this diagonal matrix, formula for y11 equal to y12 plus y13 plus y14 plus y10. So, y12 value is minus j 6.67 plus y13 value is minus j 5 plus y14 value is 0 and y10 value is j 0.06. Okay. So, in the first step y10 value is j 0.06, just substituting the value for y10. After we can get the results for y11 equal to minus 11.61. So, this is the value for diagonal matrix of first matrix, that means y11. Next we can calculate y22. y22 means your second line is connected with 0, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. That means your y20 value is j 0.12 minus y21 value is minus j 6.67 plus y23 value is j 3.333 minus y24 value is minus j 2.5. For the single line is differently connected with various line. Okay, your I minus j, your first line is connected with different line, your second line connected with different line, third line is connected with fourth line, the different line, and fourth line is connected with other lines. It means, so each and every time we can calculate the individual diagonal matrix, means at the time what are all the various lines are connected in the main matrix, that means main diagonal matrix, like second, third, fourth and 1. So in this case y22 means y20, y21, y23 and y24. The value of y20 is j 0.12 and the value of y21 is equal to minus j 6.67, y23 value is minus j 3.333 and y24 value is minus j 2.5. Finally, we can get the results for y22 equal to minus 12.38. And next we can calculate y33. y33 is y30 plus y31 plus y32 plus y34. So just adding with all those values, but in this case y34 value is 0. So just y31 value is present and y32 value is present and y34 value is present. So y34 value is 0, that means y30 is j 0.03 and y31 value is minus j 0.5 and y32 value is j 3.333. So after adding with that all the values, finally we can get the results for y33 equal to minus j 8.3. Finally, we can calculate for last one 4 cross 4 matrix in that y44. y44 is y40 plus y41 plus y42 plus y43, but y41 is not present. So there is no any other line is connected for first line to the fourth line. So the value is 0 and the next one y43 is also 0. So the fourth line is it will not directly connected to the third line. So that values is also 0. So y41 and y43 value is 0. So remaining y40 value is j 0.05 and the y42 value is minus j 2.5. So after adding with that y40 and plus y42, the results is j minus j 2.45. Okay, so everyone can knowing about the information for same as for y12 equal to y21, y13 is y31, y14 is same as y41, y23 is same as y32 and y24 is same as y42. Finally, y34 is same as y43. So already we can calculate the value for individual matrix like y12, y13, y14, y23, y24 and y34. So in this case actually y12 is same means y21 is also same, y13 is calculated, y31 is same, y23 is calculated, y32 is also same, y24 is calculated and y42 is also same, but remaining y41 and y43 is 0. So after calculating the other apart from that diagonal matrix and diagonal matrix is also calculated. So just all those values are present form in a matrix form. So this is Y bus matrix, this is 4 cross 4 matrix, just substitute all those values in the matrix column, that means 4 cross 4 matrix column. So this is the procedure for forming the bus admittance matrix. Thank you.